Wow.
Hey, this 318 shit, you heard me? That Alexander shit, you heard me?
I'm rollin' like a 18 wheeler. I'm rollin' like a 18 wheeler. Yeah. I'm rollin' like a 18 wheeler. I'm rollin' like a 18 wheeler. Like a big truck, I feel like a hurricane. I'm on them jiggers too. I'm on them hurricanes. Got my head spinning, feel like a hurricane. A nigga play, we turn this bitch into a hurricane. I get closer, nigga, feel like James Harden. A nigga play, we turn this bitch to hurricane hard. I done bought a hill, gospel just like Mad Marvin. You know my people got it jumping just like Michael Jordan. I want a pure mayonnaise, I need a 50 pack, I need a party pack, I need a triple stack. And watch me throw 'em back, just like a quarterback, just like a quarterback, just like a quarterback. I been chillin' in the VIP, no on the ID, thuggin' with the team, and you know I keep a bag free. The mama super big, got some tests out on the ass cheeks. Take her to the telly, have her running like an athlete. Nigga play, we turn this bitch into a track meet. Granny for the bushy head to the white meat. You want them things, you can come and get them for the cheap. And fuck a nigga 2 times if he don't like me.